Welcome to MedMillet Software. This video tutorial is about Episode Manager. Let's start. Click Episodes from Go to tab. Episodes list is loaded. We can select a specific episode by entering patient ID, MRN, patient name, episode ID, episode duration from into. We can also filter by selecting episode status. We can select number of entries to display on one page. Select an episode. Episode Manager is loaded. Complete detail of an episode is well organized under unique tabs and captions. Click Load Other Episode and can select Other Episode. Press Cancel if not selected. On Admission Packet drop-down, we can select a specific admission form. We can delete and create new episode. Click on General. General Information section is loaded. Click on Edit button. Update general information and press Save. Click on Aid Care Plan. Form is loaded. We can edit, print and fax Aid Care Plan form, and press Close. Click on Plan of Care. Form is loaded. We can edit, print and fax Plan of Care form, and press Close. Press Schedule Visit tab. Scheduling calendar is loaded. Here, we can view and update tasks. Clicking on Visits loads visit grid. We can filter a specific task by entering task name, provider name, schedule date and visit date. We can also filter by selecting Missed Task, Rescheduled Task, and Status. We can select required number of entries as well. Click on Schedule Visit. Scheduler calendar is loaded. To schedule new task, clicking on Orders tab, loads Orders grid. Click on New Order. Order Scheduler is loaded. Add order and press Save. Clicking on Documents. Document grid is loaded. We can upload, download, email and delete a specific document. We can view miscellaneous tasks as well. Press Vital Sign Log. Form is loaded, and press Close. We can view medication details, and can print and fax this form if required. Click on Close button. Clicking on Check Eligibility will loads pop up. Press Close. Press Sign and Sheet button to print and view form. Thanks for watching.